How to install GTA 5 on PC or laptop and download GTA 5. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So there's a few different ways you can go ahead and get it. I'll be showing you Steam firstly, but what you want to do is if you haven't got it already, what you want to do is get GTA 5 and just go ahead and buy it. At the time of making this video, it's actually on a discount right now too, which is pretty cool. Once you've done that, go to your library, scroll down until you find GTA 5. Now there's going to be the legacy version, which is the old version, and then there's going to be the enhanced version, which is the latest version. All you want to do on whichever one you have is go ahead and press install right here. And then it's going to ask you what drive you want to install it on, and then go ahead and press install right there. Now, what you could also do is go to the Epic Games Launcher and just do the exact same thing over here. So if I go ahead and open it up, all I got to do is go over to the store, type in Grand Theft Auto. So I'm going to type in Grand Theft, and I'm going to see, the different games like GTA 5 Enhanced. And then all I got to do is go ahead and buy it and install it.